Hello, this is my product demonstration of the Goplus 6-drawer rolling tool chest. So this is what it looks like. So it does have wheels, so it can be easily rolled around, and the front wheels do have a brake that you can apply, so then that way it doesn't roll. And what's nice about this is that it stands 52 inches tall, so it is at eye level. And this top drawer right here does have a key, so you can lock it if you have any valuable tools or you don't want your children to get into it. So let's lock it. And then you could also see that there's this liner in here to prevent it from getting scratched, kind of right there. So let's lock this. And then once it's locked, the top drawers are closed and you can't open it. And then to unlock, you just unlock it like that. And then you open, and then you're able to open the cabinets. So those are all of the cabinets. The top one has 4. And then there's also this rolling, sliding cabinet right here. It slides open like a garage, like that. So you can put extra tools in there. And then there's also the bottom compartment that has larger drawers. So you could put your larger tools in here. And then it also has a bottom compartment, sliding bottom, the same as like the top, which is larger. So you can put your larger tools in here, like your drills, etc. So it's a really nice rolling cart. There is a side handle right here if you want to roll it around. And then there's also some hooks right here that you could place tools to easily access them. So there you have it. Thank you.